Hello and welcome to Eleanor's Hearty Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, delicious and very healthy salad with only two main ingredients. Let's start. We will start by cutting one green squash into thin slices. I like to cut it horizontally, but circles will work too. Next, we will mix it with some oil and salt. When mixing, make sure that the oil covers each slice. For the cooking part, add some oil into a pan. I like to use the stripe pan to get these pretty grill looking stripes. You see how soft it's already got? That's one of the reasons to cut them into thin slices. When done, leave it aside to get cool. Meanwhile, we're gonna work on our spinach. Wash it well and dry, then cut it into big chunks. Remove it into a bowl and chop some walnuts. Next to that, we will add some dry cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and our cooked zucchinis. Add some lemon juice and pinch of salt, and that's all we need. Mix it gently to combine. Please share this video with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. When done mixing, transfer your salad into your serving plate. Looks good. Let's try. So good. There you go. Easy, quick, delicious and healthy salad. For any question, please comment below.